Yun lang po, importante sa amin lahat. At sana po, mag-enjoy po tayo. Alright.
And of course, Kuya, I think we have to thank lahat ng mga nag-organize itong party. I think special mention kay, of course, kay Don, kay Almira, kay Raldi, kay
Emilier, kay Trisha,
yes.
sa mga tumulong po para sa aming decorations. Patawarin niyo po ako kung di po ako nakatulong ngayon dahil po sa kasamang palad na di po ako po yan. Of course, we would like also to greet my sister. 50th birthday niya.
Oh, Almira, yes.
Yung po importante.
Celebrated her 50th birthday last May 10. Yeah, so, ano naman tayo, kumita naman tayo ng happy birthday, belated happy birthday. Important of all is, of course, again, we would like to thank each and every one of you for coming over. Yung effort, kahit paulan po, pumunta pa rin po kayo sa 80th birthday po ng aming mami.
Aming ina.
Well appreciated po.
Our celebrant to please rise and please approach us para po magsimula tayo sa ating programa.
Ayun. Alexa. Ana. Alma.
Mga tol, magkita yung po tayo.
Sinasama namin mga in-laws and mga apo ni Mami to please come in front. Para kantahan natin siya ng happy birthday. Okay, teka muna. Bigyan naman natin ng moment muna sa dali. Okay. So ito na yung pagkakataon para kantahan naman natin si Manny ng happy birthday kasama ang kanyang anak at mga apos. Okay? Maestro? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
We introduce ourselves first. I'm the youngest son of Myrna. And my brother,
I'm the eldest.
lumaki po ako sa farm. Makatibli ko lang buhay. Hindi ko ako dinala ng nanay ko, pero ng tatay ko, nakadun sa farm. Okay, Mami, this is just a short message for you. I appreciate your continued prayers for me and my family, but hopefully you pray for my political career. It is because of your prayer that I'm able to empty this party. Hindi tayo, buhay pa. Tonight, well, you may not be perfect mother for me, but I'm grateful to have you who continues to parent me, even at my current stage in my life. Tatanda ko ito, pinapangaralan pa rin ako ng nanay. Ganun po niya ako kamahal. I hold a deep affection for you and anticipate that we will soon be your neighbors, Mom. My neighbors. I pray for protections against any individual who may or stop. Marami pong salamat. Of course, from the bottom of my heart, I will always love you. Hindi ko na po papahabahin, papasa ko naman po kay Paul.
Short message lang, Mami. I took a passage from the Bible, actually. Proverbs chapter 1, verse 8 to 9. Here, my son, your father's instruction, and forsake not your mother's teaching. For they are a graceful garland for your head and pendants for your neck. I think what's really important in life is to have a relationship with God. And I think my mom is a perfect example. I think a lot of you can attest, even her friends. She goes to church every day. Araw-araw po siya nasa simbahan. And every time po na, kung doon pa ako nakatira sa kanila, every time po na pumupunta ako sa kwarto na, wala po siya ibang ginagawa kundi nagdadasal. I think, para sa akin, growing up, no, siyempre we all go through phases in life. And I was considered a lost soul before. If not for my mom's perfect example, I think hindi ako fully convert through Father Jerry Orpos. Special mention, Father Jerry Orpos, at kay Mami. Kasi inspirasyon ko siya because she is our prayer warrior sa lahat ng bagay. So Mom, thank you so much. I love you. And thank you for yung inspiration at yung mga teachings mo about God until now nadadala natin. So yun lang po.
And of course, one more applause to my brother. Of course, we'd like to acknowledge the presence of Mr. and Mrs. Justice Davide. Chief Justice Davide, our renowned Chief Justice Davide. And Mrs. Alright, thank you for recognizing. Nanay ko po yan. Sir, if you wouldn't mind, sir, if we can request for you or just a short message for my mom po. Ay, dyan na po kayo.
What a beautiful event tonight. A very blessed celebration of 80 years of happy life. I did not realize that 80 is actually the number of years. So, never forgetting and beyond forgetting. I realized that Myrna simply means my years of memorable experiences, today and always. So, Myrna. And my Y is years, R is reflections or memories. Then N is for now, and A is for always. So now and always. 80 years of beautiful experiences. As a mother, as a grandmother, do you already have a great-grand? Not yet. We already have a great-grand. And we have known your most beloved celebrant today, especially for the members of the family, for years already from the time that we started to reside here at the BF Homes. And we value her friendship. Never for a moment did we ever regret becoming a friend of Myrna. So that is the meaning really of a real friendship. Where love is where love is the moving force. In like manner that in the family it is the moving force. Love begins in the family and ends in the family of sweet memories. So congratulations as you celebrate your 80th anniversary. I noticed when I started to look at the phone that on this side you have 75, at the middle you have 80. Now I believe that 5 years from now you have the 85 there and the 80 will be there. And after 5 years, will be the movement of every 5 years. And 5 years is very significant. 5 years is very significant because it is of tremendous value for each one of us. Every 5 years is a milestone. And 80 is, imagine, what a milestone. So Gigi and I are very, very happy and proud of you to be our real friends, and it will be forever too. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for the very beautiful message from Chief Justice Davide. And if we could hear a little bit of a message from Mrs. Gigi Davide, if you may. If you may be so kind.
I would like to second the words of the Chief Justice. Ano pa ba masabi ko except that Myrna has always been a good friend and she will be a friend to me forever. You know, we are both daily communicants and daily mass goer. You know? Hindi lang yung mami niyo ang nagsisimba. Hindi lang siya ang nagpipray. Ako rin nagpipray ako for my children and my grandchildren. That is what mothers always do. And I think all the mothers in this hall, lahat ng ginagawa natin para sa ating mga anak. So mga prayers yan na walang katapos-tapos na prayers. It's always for the good of the children, for the good of the family, so that now and forever, we are intact. We are just there, holding on together. So to Myrna, keep on holding on together with your children, with your grandchildren, and hopefully with your great-grandchildren. Salamat po.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Commercial model, Don Ducaya. And of course,
Our famous TikToker.
with millions of followers, Magdalena Fox.
Maraming palakpakan dyan. Kumintay natin. Ayun. Maraming salamat, Kuya. Maraming salamat, Lexi.
Ayan, magandang din po sa inyong lahat. Parang iba yung napuntahan ko, hindi birthday party. Kulang na lang ng kabayo.
Ano yun? Nagpapalitin ka?
Ayan, magandang din po sa inyong lahat. At syempre, nanay, happy birthday. Hindi ko alam kung paano natin babalahurin ang gabi ito kasi ang mga respetado, paano ba ito? Nagulat ako.
Oo, diba? Pero anyway, in 80 years na yan, natin.
Sana umabot ako ng ganung edad na tumatambling pa o i-split pa.
Ay, kaya mo yan.
Kaya po, hanggang 80 years old, lalagpasan ko pa.
Kaya hindi mo nakakaalam, si Magdalena Fox ay may sikat na TikToker na million followers na.
Ay, wala bang palakpakan dyan? Paano lang nagkakanahan? Tatambling ako mamaya. At mula sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon, makikita niyong mahahati ang aking katawan.
Correct. At pinagsagan siyang marites ng bayan. Di ba? Anyway, kaya ano lang naman, sabihin natin, paano ba tayo nakakilala? Di ba? Naging close kami for 2 years na.
Oo, 2 years ang pagkaibigan natin. Siyempre, pareho tayo ata ng ugali. Pareho tayong maganda.
Alam ko yun.
Lamang lang ako.
Okay na si maganda pa rin ang birthday celebration.
Ay, tinatay. Mas maganda pa rin si nanay ako.
Oo naman.
So, anong gagawin natin ngayon? Meron ba tayo mga parapol, palaro? Meron bang mananalo ng house and lot?
May mag-pepper.
Ay, may mag-pepper.
Oo.
Ah,
Ang
si Brian Rela ba ito?
Hindi. Isa sa mga apo ni Manny ang magpe-perform. So ngayon, please be ready. Alexis Children. Ayun, kayo na. Bigyan naman namin ng
Palakpakan naman dyan.
Ayan, thank you.
Sumayaw?
Oo naman.
Masayaw?
Siyempre yung mga pantang ko sa inyo lang.
Ay, pinikling.
Yes.
Kuratsa. Kaya mo ba?
Ikaw ang magaling doon. Oo, pero hindi ako. Anyway, meron susunod din na magpe-perform. Anak naman ng kuya ko na si Javi and Ina.
I get quiet when there's no one else around. Don't you dare look at me that way.
I should stand in my heart.
Thank you. Happy birthday, Lola.
Kaya binibili Pilipinas.
Pilipinas.
Yes. Yung anak niya ngayon,
Ginger! Ginger!
Palagpagan
naman natin si Ginger! Ayan.
Now they never made it to class. I'm a rich man in a taxi cab. Full with flesh bullets on the way to my dad's. And you told me so what to say. Get older and I'm still on your side.
Sa akin talaga naman mga yan.
Kaya ba? Kung nagmana sa'yo, para mapaniwala ang lahat, meron ka ba isang sample dyan?
Ayaw nga ako pakantahin, napakilya ko.
Bakit?
Kasi binitera ako eh.
Babasa yung mga salamin.
Babasa lamang sa
At ito na nga, dahil may sumayaw na, may kumanta at may sasayaw ulit. Ang balita ko dahil chismosa ako, isa siya sa team Pilipinas cheerleader na lumalaban pa sa ibang bansa.
Yes, champion!
Champion.
Anak ng ate ko.
Yes.
Siya. Tawagan na natin ang 3 sisters, Team Pilipinas, Dwayne, Micah, and Alexi. Tawagan na natin. Sige nga, sample.
Hindi pa ako nakayo ng religious. So bago na, pagkatapos yan is doon,
Oo nga, ipa-stop ko na natin music. Ayun.
Very good ang sino yan?
Masunurin.
Masunurin mamaya meron ka sa aking reward.
Correct. Dahil anyway, special ngayon din ang gabi.
Yes, dahil nakita natin may kumanta na may sumayaw. Ito naman ang pagkakataon para bumati ang isa sa mga bunsong kapatid ni Mami.
Yes.
Ang tawagin po natin para magbigay sa kanyang mensahe para sa ating celebrant si Mami Christy.
Mami Christy, please come here. Ah, dito lang ba? Dito lang ba? Pakiyak na yung camera dito. Ayan.
Ano sasabihin ko sa iyo, Min? Anyway, happy birthday, Min. Tonight, may pinaligaya kang isang soul na he was, talagang pinipilit ka na to celebrate not only with the family, but with relatives and friends. Kaya maligaya siya ngayon. Dahil plinano niya yung birthday mo 2 years before your 80th. Kaya, anyway, I thank God for blessing me with siblings and sisters like you. Being the youngest, but looks the oldest. Kasi maiitim lahat ang buhok nila. Thank you. Kasi maiitim lahat ang buhok nila, ay ako puti na. Anyway, ha? Yes. Anyway, wishing you a very, very happy birthday. May God bless you with His choicest blessings. And I'm very grateful to have a sister like you who is very understanding, always there for me, caring, loving, and guiding.
Texting.
Wala din yung sasabihin ko, kayo kasi. Even during the crossroads of my life, you are always there. Thank you very much for always guiding and for always supporting me, even during happy celebrations and difficulties. Thank you and happy. Nanahan naman ako. And happy birthday again. Happy 80th birthday. Love you, my dear sister. Tayong dalawa na lang.
Thank you, Auntie Christy. Yan, di ba? Tayong dalawa na lang. Hindi siya paubos na, di ba? Anyway, ito. Tawagin na natin si Mami kasi 8 roses.
8 roses.
lahat ng mga apo niyang lalaki. Okay? So, maybe call mommy, please come here. In front. And lagyan naman natin ng magandang music. Pero may fascination. Fascination. Alain. Lubaya. Ngayon, para may masaya itong gawin to, meron tayong palaro.
Ay! Ano bang prize?
Umpisahan muna natin sa mga friendship ni Mother. Oh. Oh, di ba? Sino na nag-sponsor?
Sponsored by Levi's.
Brian? Paxto. Paskip! Ayan, hanggang sa simbahan talaga. Pinagpala ka ngayong gabi. Now, ano premyo niya?
iPhone Pro Max 15. Napakalaking salo.
Sa atin. Oo. Inuman. After this, di ba? Oo. Senior citizen. So, papalabas natin yung, ayan, sayaw nila. Ayan. Okay. Nag-after ko, siyempre inaanak ko marami na akong utang dito. Let's welcome Janessa. Kasi si Janessa, halika na dito.
Happy birthday, Auntie May. Happy 80th. I had such a great time last summer seeing everyone, seeing you. Thank you so much. Happy birthday. We love you. Hope to see you in the very near future. Yeah, happy 80th.
Maligayang kaarawan, Auntie Min. Wishing you health, love, happiness, and many more birthdays to celebrate. And we're hoping to see you soon. Happy birthday, Auntie Mia. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Auntie Myrna. I hope 80 treats you very well. We definitely miss you, and I hope to see you soon. So much love and affection towards you. Definitely miss you. Yeah.
Happy birthday, Auntie! Congratulations on making it to 80. We all send our love to Mom and Abby, and as we'll see or have seen the kids. Hopefully we'll see you again sometime soon. Lots of love and have a great party. Celebrate extra hard for us.
All right.
We love you.
We love you. Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday to you.
birthday, stay happy, and God bless.
Tapos, share to Almira.
We miss you guys so much. Happy birthday. I'm here.
Happy birthday. And may all your dreams and wishes come true. I love you and wish you so much.
Ready? Let's go. Happy
Happy birthday. Enjoy your day, mommy. Enjoy your party. And thanks for everything. And thank you na parang pinaramdam sa akin na isa kong parang part of your family again. At makawitang mo siya sa bahay mo. And thank you so much. Happy birthday. I love you. Bye.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Mommy Paya. We wish you good health and more blessings to come. Thank you very much for
Alexa,
creating a
Kai,
good woman, Alexa.
Alexa.
Happy birthday, Mother.